A viral post pits two tragedies against each other. And the deeper story isn't the details, it's the temperature of the country. Two moral tribes shouting across a canyon, they keep dynamiting wider. The red camp often champions law, order, and moral clarity. The blue camp often champions compassion, inclusion, and social responsibility. Both contain something admirable. Both have a shadow side, and at our current boil, compromise is treated like treason. Then Christianity shows up and ruins everyone's tidy categories. Jesus doesn't offer red Christian or blue Christian. He calls people to something that annoys both tribes: moral seriousness and radical generosity. Tertullian's ancient line captures it. All things are common among them, except their wives. Open-handed sharing and moral restraint together. So the question isn't how do we win? It's, if Jesus is our leader, why are we so hard to recognize?